Hey guys, what's up? It's Dali. Anyways, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is going to be my first video. I also want to bring to you that I am doing a giveaway on my first video as well. I just wanted to already show love to all the subscribers and followers that I get. So it is going to be this James Charles palette. It's the mini one. I do use the large one fairly often. So how you enter is you got to subscribe to my channel and you have to like my post, as well as if you comment 2 people under the post, it's 1 entry, and if you put me on your story, then it's 2. You can put as many entries as you want. Go ahead, have fun. I should have a winner by next week, so go ahead and do your thing. Okay guys, and I've already prepped my skin. I actually washed my face. I tend to wash my face before I do my makeup just because anything that's on there, I want it off, I want it away, so if I have to exfoliate sometimes, I would do. I moisturize my skin, and for today I used my NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. So yeah, I put that all on my face, and now we're just gonna go to foundation, and today I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte and then the HD Photogenic Studio Foundation from NYX. I'm going to just mix them because this one's a little bit dark for me, and clearly we haven't been allowed out into the real world, so I'm getting pasty.
Way too hard.
Okay, so right now I look super like flat and just like a egg. But anyways, that's besides the point. So now I'm going to be using my e.l.f. These are literally, I'm not kidding you, my ride or die concealers. Right now I'm out of my shade again, but this one's medium peach and medium beige. So what I kind of do is I'm gonna put the darker one on first. Now I'm going to, I still look really white, but I'm going to cut my eyebrows. I just do it with this because I see a lot of girls that like use actual brush. I just don't like to wash my brushes a lot, and that's the plain honest truth. So I'm just going to clean it up with this thingy. So now that I blended both of those out, I am very white and pasty, so let's add some color back to my face, please. So this is the Maybelline. You can't even see it, that's how much I just use it. But this is the Maybelline contour stick. This is in Where's Walnut. And I love this to give me literally like the most natural kind of contour. And you can always like add more or just take out. Like, it just goes on so smooth. It literally feels like butter when it's gliding on your skin. Like, it's crazy. Alright guys, so camera died. And yeah, it's just charged a little bit. For concealer, I baked my face with the Hard Candy Brighten and Set. This is a really, so if you are like my skin tone or darker, This is such a good yellow powder, and it's like $5. It's really good. Like, I'm not kidding you. Like, it's really good. It's super yellow. Like, so if you're lighter than me, I would not fully recommend it. Maybe as like an all over face powder, you guys can do it type, but not to brighten, if that makes sense. But I am, yeah, this is Too Faced bronzer. I'm gonna just put this all over my face. It really bronzed it up. I like the butter bronzer. I bought that one, I mean, after like a really long time of like, should I buy it, should I not? I finally bought it, and I actually really do like it. I just misplaced it at the moment, so. But this is definitely like obviously my first love, you guys can tell. I'm just gonna go in now. So now we're gonna dive into the eye makeup, which I'm super excited for because my sister actually helped me with this idea. While I'm doing this, I'm also gonna cut my cheeks and all that stuff. So my sister, I wanted to do a color that I really haven't done, or that I don't really experiment with doing. And I obviously said like purple is a color that I just stay away from because it goes 0 to 100. Literally, you look like you have a black eye some days. And it's just a really hard color to work with, in my opinion. Like, it's one of the hardest ones. But my sister said I should probably do like a pink and purple color. And then I was like, okay, so should I do, you know, like a purple to pink, pink to purple? She's like, just do them both. So, and I was like, yeah, I have 2 freaking eyeballs, so of course I can do that. So here I am, and I'm going to, I like to do that. And this is just for the fallout, because I know pinks and purples really do have a lot. So I'm going to be using the, of course, Morphe palette by James Charles. I really didn't think I was gonna like this palette, but I just like the color schemes in it a lot. It has so much to offer, in my opinion, and it works really well. Obviously, you guys see, like, it is super loved on. I enjoy it, and then I might dip into like these pinks. I just bought this palette, and it's literally amazing. Like, I love this palette already. Morphe is honestly one of my favorite things. So we're just gonna do one eye and then the other eye. I'm gonna start off with this pink inside my crease, and then just keep going back and forth. So right here, I'm cutting out my lid with my e.l.f. concealer. I just put only a little bit on there and then really spread it. It's just so when I place the purple on there, the color can really pop. I didn't know how to explain it in the video, or my words were all jumbled up. But I'm just gonna do that, and then I'm gonna grab a burgundy shade and merge them in the middle so you can get it real nice.
Z, this way too hard.
instead of adding the pink to my crease, I'm going to be adding the purple. Doing the same exact steps that I did on my other eye, just completely opposite. So instead of purple to pink, it's going to go pink to purple. And you're going to just keep blending in all those colors, and you're going to cut out your crease, put that same pink shade that you used to blend out towards your brow. You're going to put it on your lid now, and really make sure to blend really good and make it look seamless.
Z, this way too hard.
So I'm dusting all of this off, okay, because I like so far what I've done. Right now we're just gonna do the under eyes. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Are you kidding me? Look at that highlight. So I just put a little pink. I used e.l.f.'s liquid lips. These are great. And then ColourPop's Ultra Blotted Lip. Kind of just put that in the center, and this one on the outer. And then, you know, just obviously did my hair, threw something on. And here we are. Alrighty guys, that's it for this makeup look. Stay tuned for next week. Remember to subscribe and have a blessed week.